at the base of the Rocky Mountains in Colorado is one of the most haunted places in the state. You got it. It's the Stanley Hotel. And the Stanley Hotel, you might know it from The Shining. But did you know that the Stanley Hotel also has its very own hedge maze? We stayed at the Stanley Hotel last night, and I'm so glad we did because I was able to wake up this morning and basically have the place to myself. I was able to walk around by myself this morning with everybody asleep, and I have this phenomenal hedge maze to myself this morning. I've seen videos of it, but the videos that I saw of the hedge maze, I guess it hadn't gotten this tall yet because you could see right over it. And as you can see right here, well, this one is about my height, but there are some areas where it has grown up. Let's see if you can see right behind me. And it is much taller than me. So I'm really excited to see how this hedge maze is in the morning. I did a little preview last night, but it was kind of loud, music and people. So I'm excited to kind of do it spooky by myself. Watch your step if they've had some weather. Just a few steps in, I've already hit a dead end. Right, so while this maze is not humongous, it's actually fairly large, but I can see that it might be a little trickier than I anticipated. Let's get back at it. You can see how tall the hedge maze is now. It's not this tall in all of it, but it's pretty tall. I'm looking at this one in front of me. Let me see if I can turn it around. The sun's behind me. And you can see it's quite a bit taller than me. I'm pretty excited that they have gotten this maze going. It might take a few years for some of the other areas to flesh out. Oh my gosh, you guys. The sprinkler system kicked on and it started making this weird noise and it scared me. All right, so far nothing super spooky. It's just the sprinkler system's kicking on and their drip lines. Oh my gosh. Embarrassing when you're like waiting for that jump. But yeah, you can see like here, there's a few spots where they're still filling it in, but they've got these big pieces, sandstone, limestone, separating out the different areas. But this is only a small section of the maze where it's like this. The rest of it's pretty tall. You can see over there, over here. and you look up. In this area, you can look up and see the hotel. But even still, I would say it's almost as tall as me in this area. I'm about 5'4", so it's about 5 foot. There's a few sprigs, it's a little taller. All right, let's keep at it. I'm trying to watch because there's a lot of puddles. It's funny because the littlest things will make you jump here. In the Stanley, I went this morning to get coffee downstairs at their coffee shop, and I asked the people working there, have y'all had anything spooky happen? Everybody has a story, right? And they both said, oh yeah, just this morning we were getting everything set up and we heard somebody say hello, and there was nobody there, and each thought the other said it, and they were like, no, it wasn't me, no, it wasn't me. There was nobody. And it's down like in the basement, the coffee shop, it's in the basement of the Stanley, so spooky, spooky. So here we are at the center, and there's a statue here, F.O. Stanley. A lot of treacherous puddles. I'm wearing long pants. Having to straddle it and hope my pants don't get wet. Look at the views though. All right, I'm ready to get out of here. I think this is the way out over here. Oh, water. I have made it through the hedge maze at the most haunted hotel in America, the Stanley. Would you have done this by yourself? Let me know.